Welcome back, you gorgeous and beautiful people from the internet. My name is Manzi Games, and today we're gonna continue on with our beautiful series over here, crypto. We're gonna dollar cost average into crypto every single week, and here is our project. Unfortunately, we are a little bit down, as you can see here. We're about 18, maybe $17.50 down, which is not a big deal. At this very moment, if you did buy cake, you can stake your cake for Crown as well on top of Beefy. So all you got to do is click on the boost at the very top here. It will take you to this page. If your cake has to be staked already on the spool, and then you can just stake your cake here and earn some extra crypto. We did that last week as well, and we got where's the link now? Yield watch. There we go. And we got some Beefy last time, but this time we're getting Crown. Crown is like a project that I've never heard of before, so they may be very new in the space. But you can see we already made 158 of their tokens, and they're like extremely cheap. I don't know how cheap they are. Yeah, Crown is like 0. I'm not too sure how expensive they are, but as you can see, we have 22 cents already. So that is the nice thing also about staking into Beefy. You can get some additional crypto by having a lot of different pools. At this moment it was 2 times in a row cake. However, if it's next week again cake, we'll most probably buy some more cake so we can accumulate way more of these side projects, because essentially how I see it, it's a little bit like buying a lottery ticket, if you want to say something like that. Not 100% though, but it's something like that for having extra crypto staked. Anyway, guys, this week, if I open up my board, cryptocurrency, I don't use coin market cap anymore. I use another website called Live Coin Watch. So Live Coin Watch is a little bit better. So I'm gonna grab this one here, delete, and drag Live Coin Watch. The reason why we use this one instead is because it updates and you can change the amount of times that it has to update. You can make it every 2 seconds, every 1 minute, or however you want to change it. There's light and dark. You can also build in a portfolio in here so that you only have to open it here if there's, for example, Yield Watch not checking certain things. But at the moment, if you look, you can see on my other PC, I have everything open correctly, but you can see over here that Bitcoin is technically down. Yeah, down in the last 7 days, down in the last 30 days as well. So you can filter it over here. So you go and customize over there, and then you could say how often do you want to watch it. So for me, you want to watch it every 7 days, every 30 days, and every 1 year. And if you put that on, you can see pretty much like how it's supposed to look. You can grab this weekly first, 7 days. Yeah, the price has to stay there. So 7 days, 30 days, and 1 year. So these are the pretty big things that you have to keep in mind for when you do buy. So for us right now, we're going to buy some Bitcoin, Ethereum. Because Ethereum, again, for the 3rd week in a row, Ethereum is the cheapest. Ethereum is cheaper than Binance. So Binance didn't go down as much. You can see here 8.5%, where these two are way higher. You can even see Cardano is even showing a little bit more weakness. So if we go to Beefy, open up Beefy over here, and just once again on the right side, you can see where my mouse is. You have to just click at the bottom there until you get all the way to the bottom. You just hold down your mouse, and then it gets to the bottom. You press Control F on your keyboard, and then you type in BTC. Gonna do F. Okay, it doesn't work. So we're just gonna search BTC, and we're gonna find Ethereum that's gonna be attached with it. Ah, it's because it's BTC BF. There we go, BTC BF, it's on PancakeSwap. We're getting 11.5%, so it's not a lot of yield that you're getting from this. But the reason why you're getting into this project is because of the Bitcoin and the Ethereum. The passive APY is nice. It's not like it's gonna make you rich someday, but it's a nice form of another income. That is how I see this. So we're gonna buy token here. It's going to take us to PancakeSwap right now. Make sure your wallet is connected, and it shows Ethereum and Bitcoin. So at the top, we're just going to change this to BUSD. It's still loading everything in my wallet. So BUSD, and we say $50, 50. Make sure that your slippage is 0.01. The lower, the better. Sometimes the transaction fail, but that is not a big deal. Why is it saying that I don't have enough funds? Insufficient. Oh, there we go. So we make this 50. We get this amount of Bitcoin. We swap, confirm. Swap Arinos. You can see it's a pretty low gas fee. And then we change this one to ETH. Ethereum. And then you say 50 here as well, because that 50 is going to be gone now. And we just swap that as well. Pow, dude, it's pretty cheap. I don't know if BNB lowered their fees. That was really cheap to do. And then into liquidity we go. We say add liquidity. And then, or we could just go do it here. Add liquidity. There we go. And then it will show Ethereum, Bitcoin. It's just loading my wallet at the moment, so it's not a big deal. Wow, chicka wow wow. Come on, baby. Insufficient ETH balance. So he's waiting for ETH to update. Okay, so we have to click max on Ethereum. So supply. Okay, that's a little bit more expensive. And then we should have this token. So we're going to approve the contract. Come on, man. Approve the contract. So yeah, like I said, if there's next week again that we're gonna get into, like if Cake will have all these altcoins as well farming every week, then it might be better for us to actually get more into that. You can see already when it went up 122. But we'll each week then just go into that, because I'm deep into Ethereum. Now it went down. I'm deep into Ethereum at the moment. I think it's our biggest holding coin at the moment compared to anything else, which is great. So if we go back to Yield Watch now, you can see here we have a $94 worth of Cake. So we have a higher amount of Bitcoin now, since we just went into Bitcoin Ethereum. We have ETH 3 times now. So we have $150 worth of ETH, and we have $100 worth of Cake. So let's just refresh the page. And now it should show beautifully, I think. Just make sure. There's actually 2 pools. No, it's not. It's just 1 pool. Yeah, so now it's staked. You can see it's on this side. So it's deposited. So Yield Watch is supposed to pick it up now. Boop, boop, boop. I see 1 extra. There we go. Bitcoin, Ethereum. And there we go. Getting 11% on it. So you get more percentage on the BNB one. You can see you already have $1 there. This one have nothing. The others, you can always see they have some sort of yield. And that is why, in my opinion, it's better to do this, because over the course of let's say, for example, 5 years, these yield will add up eventually, you know. That is the big thing. That is really a big thing. You can see we got $2.50 already with Cake. So we're technically, the buy-in spot that we got is at 92. So it went down quite often, or quite a lot. Comp is at 91, and Comp is at 91, Comp ETH, and then ADA ETH is at 90. But we saw that ADA is showing a lot of weakness at the moment. So you can see they're down 15% in the last 30 days. That is the biggest out of all of them. So, and you can see XRP 25% down. Goodness. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. So far, we're in the red at the moment with this wallet. This is week number 5 now, 583. So we're still like $16.30 down. But as soon as Bitcoin and anything is recovering, Bitcoin and everything, let's not say anything, everything recovering, then we'll sit very pretty. We'll sit very nice. I can promise you guys that. BNB was a strong point here. That's why we haven't bought into BNB again, because BNB is above 300 the whole time. BNB is like very strong at the moment, only 8% down. So if BNB is going to show weakness, we'll get more into BNB. But anyway, guys, that is week number 5 for you. Hopefully you guys did enjoy. If you did, smash a like, subscribe if you're new to the channel. Hit the bell notification to stay tuned for every time we go live or upload a video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you guys, take care, and as always, remember to twist some nips. Cheerios.